Okay, yeah, we can start with whatever you want to start out with.
So this one, revolutions for Ferris wheel. So I guess I would start off with the equation F equals mg.
Okay. Yeah, so that's like for gravity, right?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, but then we went to this right here. How in the world do we go from this equation to this equation?
Okay. Yeah, that's a good question. So you're saying, so you have like a Ferris wheel, right?
Yeah.
And so they're at the top here. So it wants to know it wants to know velocity. Is that how fast?
It wants to know the force.
Oh.
The RPMs.
Okay, so it wants to know frequency. Yeah, which will need velocity. But so in order to feel weightless, like basically you're gonna have like gravity pulling you down, right? And you'll have like so you're gonna have this. So we have gravitational force, and then you have, let's see. So like the centripetal force.
Okay.
And so this part right here, this AR is like centripetal acceleration, so like it's going inward, right? So that's going to be equal to v squared over r.
Okay, yeah.
So what they did is they said, if you want to feel weightless right here, basically the total, all the forces on you, so the sum of the forces is going to equal 0.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So if you feel a force, then you're feeling some kind of like weight, or like you're feeling a force. So when it says weight, that's just like another term for like your force, basically.
Okay.
So it's saying like all your forces are going to be 0 because you're weightless. So the forces on you are 0 when you're up here. So we can say then that our gravitational force is going to equal this one.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. I get that.
Yeah, so those are equal. And then, yeah, masses cancel. And then we want to solve for velocity, so we'll end up with this, right? So we just multiply by r and square root it. So this is what our velocity is going to be.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. I guess he just skipped some steps.
Yeah, for sure, yeah. And that can happen, like, if you just like jumped from like, okay, here, mg to that, it's like, how did he get that? Yeah, confusing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's just kind of understanding that because those forces are equal, because this is weightless, they have to be equal, so. And then also, yeah, so then from there you just do the 2 pi, or no, what is it? Yeah, 2 pi r v.
For
Yeah, so this is the frequency, the little like fancy F, yeah. And frequency is in rotations or like revolutions per minute. Well, I guess it'd be second if this is in meters per second. And that's in meters. Yeah.
Okay. So extremely F equals 2 pi r.
I think it's that one. Yeah. 2 pi over v. Do you have it?
I have these right here. I think I'm missing
see.
some.
Yeah, that's like the one rotations per. Or is it just? Yeah, I think it's that. I'm gonna go grab the book, but real quick, just to make sure that this makes sense, though, right? Kind of how like, okay. Yeah. Cool.
So the normal force equals the centripetal.
Yeah, pretty much. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. Which is just gonna be 0. So. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go grab the book.
All right.
So if you want to keep working on this one, or you could like, if you find another problem,
Yeah.
we could start that one or whatever. Yeah. Yeah, so let's see. So we have so this is like the period, and that's going to be equal to
Right. I know
yeah,
that's
so
what
those, so from then, once you have velocity, you can solve for period. And then from there, you can solve for frequency.
I get
So
you.
yeah.
And then do I need to times that by 60 to get into minutes?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. So this will be in meters per second. So yeah, so this will be in revolutions per second when you solve for it.
I see.
So yeah, so then multiply by 60 to get the minutes, and then that's
Okay.
yeah.
Wonderful. And is this if I could do this, could I do most circular problems? I'm thinking so.
Yeah, if you like, this is like, if you know this, and you know like these two, then yeah, you can do a lot of them with like RPMs or this, or anything that gives you like a force or something like that. You can do it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. But I would still like practice different ways to look at it, because like just because you know how to do it like this way, like, I mean, I would like kind of work on see how they could ask it different ways, you know. Yeah.
Definitely.
Yep.
So let's see.